The workout is concentrated on abs and core. Okay. So the first part is the pattern that we are following is same. 1 minute movement, then we switch the movement and do it for 1 minute again. Alright, so we have roughly around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 movements, and we do it for 1 minute each, and we do 3 sets. Okay, one after the other, not one movement and we do 3 sets together. Okay, after that we have after party. We will be doing leg raise hold, we will be doing plank hold and your Superman holds. Okay, so let's get started. The first movement is a crunch. Okay, so we are going to do crunches. We do it for 1 minute. Let's see how are we going to do the crunches, though we have practiced it a lot. Okay, now lie down. Lift your legs up in the tabletop. Okay, so tabletop, repeating it, it is not bringing your legs very close. Push your legs slightly away so that it forms a 90-degree angle. And from your lower legs also, don't drop it. Lift it up slightly. So there is a 90-degree angle from both the sides. Now from here, take your arms up. Okay, lift your upper body slightly, take your arms up. And from here you start crunching. Okay, like this. Don't come down full. You need to be here. Engage your abs and keep crunching. And while you're crunching, make sure your tabletop doesn't move. It stays there. Okay, let's go for it. 1 minute at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Breathe out every time you crunch. Yes. Try not to move your neck too much. Just lift your stomach. So concentration should be your abdomen. It should be your stomach, your abs. Yes. Carry on. 30 seconds more. Yes, Parag, join in. Are you warmed up? You came from your run? Okay, fine. So we are doing abs and crunches. Just 10 seconds more, then you start, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now let's move to the next movement. Parag, you can start if you are warmed up. Okay. We will be doing leg raises. And how are we going to do? So 1 minute of leg raises, but watch how. So you lie down. First pointer is that there should be no curve in your spine. So press your stomach down, slightly tilt your pelvis. Hands by the side, knees straight. Now lift your legs up at 90 degree. Don't push it away, be in control. Take it down as much as possible without touching it on the floor. Again, lift it up. Take it down slow. Okay, we keep doing this for 1 minute. Let's go for it, guys. Lie down. At the count of 3, 2,
One
1.
leg at a time.
Yes?
Was it one leg? Okay.
Yeah, it is straight leg up. Yes. Yes. Slow, slow, slow. 1 minute slow. So the slower you bring your legs down, more effective it is. Don't be in a hurry for counts. Don't be in any hurry. Bring your legs slowly down. Yes. Good going, Mansi. Just try keeping your knees straight if possible. But right now, even this is good. Carry on, don't stop. Okay, Amrish, slightly jog and warm up yourself for another 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Carry on. Good going, Bharat. 10 seconds. Don't stop. Keep doing that. Down and up. Very good, Vikram. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. One pointer to notice here is that that's fine if some of you are taking your hands beneath your hips. Whatever position you take, just don't strain your neck. Don't do this with your leg raises, okay? Be in control of the movement. I know once you gain that strength, your neck will also be released, entire load will come on your abdomen. But as long as it doesn't, don't strain your neck by that, okay? Alright, let's move to the next movement. Next movement is your Supermans, okay? So what we are going to do is lie down. So Amrish, you can join from this movement. Lie down on your back, on your stomach. Lift your upper body as well as your lower body. Go down. Again lift up, down. Again lift up, down. Alright, let's go for it. 1 minute. Start. Yes, you need to slightly give it a pause as you take it up and down. So pause, down, pause, down. Yes, that is how it is going to be. Yes, good. Yes, very nice, Bharat. Good. Yes, carry on. 30 more seconds. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, everyone. Okay. Amrish, slightly lower your camera angle. Parag, you also slightly lower. I was not able to see your upper body. Slightly lower your camera angle. Okay, let's move to the next movement, which is an alternate toe touch while we are lying down. So we will be crunching while we are lying down. Just watch it how. So you lie down like this. Now from here, lift one leg up at 30. Lift your alternate hand up and your upper body at 30. This is your start position. Okay. Now from here, lift your leg up as well as your upper body. Okay. Leg up as well as upper body. Don't make the mistake of doing this. This is not what we are going to do. What we are going to do is lift up and slowly down. Lift up and slowly down. Okay, try doing it alternate. How do we do that? So lift up, take it down, then again lift up and take it down. Okay, or if you want to do it on the same side, you can do it for 30 seconds and so on. I'll tell you when 30 seconds end. Okay, let's get ready. Lie down. Make sure you lift your upper body as well. Don't make the mistake of lifting only your leg. And leg goes up and down. It doesn't stay there. Okay, start. Yes. Yes, Dipen, lift your upper body. Yes, good Amrish, excellent. Yes, good Bharat, good. Very good Mansi, carry on, carry on. Thirty seconds are up. Yes. Radhika, legs up and down also. Your leg should go up and down also. Yes. Carry on, carry on. 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Be in the child pose, relax your spine, or you can twist your legs side to side, even that is good. Just relax your spine a bit. Okay, let's watch the next movement. We are going to do reverse crunches. And how? If you have dumbbells handy and you want to hold it, you can do that as well. So I'll show you a scaled down version first. So you sit like this, hands by the side, fingers pointing towards your feet. Okay, tilt your upper body. Okay, now from here, Crunch, bring it forward, take it back. Crunch, back. Crunch, back. Entire time your elbows will not touch the floor. Okay? Another method of doing it is, you are here, you lift off your hands. Now from here, crunch, back. Crunch, back. Crunch, back. So both your lower and your upper body move. If you want to hold a dumbbell, so what you can do is, hold a dumbbell in your hands and move it across your legs like this. So you are here, you crunch, back, crunch, back, crunch, back. Okay, yes, got it? Let's go for it, whether you want to do it with dumbbells or without, both are equally effective. Just a slight difference of intensity. 1 minute. Mind you, it is 1 minute. Okay, start. Yes. Good. Do it slow. Don't be in a hurry. Pause when you open up your body. Pause. Yes. Yes. Crunch. Pause. Pausing is important. That is where your abs are going to work. Excellent movement for hip flexor strengthening as well. Yes. Yes. Parag, take your upper body down when you open the crunch. Carry on, guys. We still have 20 seconds more. Yes. Yes. Very good, Parag. Good. Good try, Amrish. Good. 10 more seconds. Carry on, carry on. I should see everyone moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Flip around and do cobra pose. That will stretch your hip flexors also. Yes, flip around for 15 seconds. Yes, do cobra pose. Okay, let's watch what we are going to do next. We are going to do something called spine up. And what is that? So, we will be doing it 30 seconds on each side. What you are going to do is your hands, just like in the crab pose, fingers pointing out. Okay, your hands here, your feet here. Now from here, bring your hand forward towards your chest, pull it up like this and take it on this side. Again, come down, pull it up, take it on this side. So it's a slight side. You can be in the center also. If you you can tilt also. Watch it from the front. We are here. Now pull yourself up and twist on this side. Go down. Without resting your hips on the floor, pull up and go down. Alright, yes, got it. So 30 seconds on one side. Then we change our side. Pull up, slightly tilt, come down. Up, tilt and come down. Okay, let's go for it. Lie down. Yes, first try being, yes, take a crab position and start. Yes, so I'll just keep showing it to you so that you know. It is like this. Tilt, down, up, tilt, down. Yes, be in control. Don't throw your body. Your entire body should be in control. Yes, carry on. Yes. Good, Parag. Good, reasonably good. Yes. Change your side. 30 seconds up. Don't throw your body. Be in control. That is the only pointer here. You should be in control. Very good, Amrish. Radhika, legs shoulder width apart. Don't join your legs. You make the movement difficult by joining your legs. Very good, Mansi. Excellent. Yes, good, Vikram. Good. Good, Dipin. Good. Carry on. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. For once, get up and walk. We are done with one round. We will be doing 2 more rounds. Okay. Let's start with the second round. The first movement is a crunch. Now, if you have dumbbell handy and you want to hold it, you can use dumbbells also. So, the movement is you lie down in a tabletop. Alright, and then start crunching up. Breathe out every time you crunch. Okay, get ready. 1 minute of crunches and start. Yes. Legs stay in tabletop. Dipen, move your legs up. Yes. Yes. Good, Mansi. Good. Excellent. Yes. Yes. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. We have 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's move to leg raises now. Simple movement. Make sure you are in control of the movement. That is most important. So you raise your legs up. Be in control. Don't throw your body up and down. Slowly bring it down. Knees absolutely straight. And then again lift it up. Alright. Let's go for it. 1 minute. Start. Yes. The only thing you need to notice is you are in control of the movement. You're not throwing your legs up and down. If you throw your legs up and down, your core will not be engaged. The entire load will be taken up by your spine, which we don't want. So let your muscles do the task. Be in control. Yes. Even if you do less count or you stop in between, that's fine. But be in control as long as you move your legs. Very good, Bharat. Carry on. We have 15 seconds. Slowly up, slowly down, in control. Neck neutral, don't strain your neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's come to Superman's now. Next movement, flip around. So lie down. And from here, lift your upper body as well as your lower body. Bring it down. Again, lift it up. Bring it down. Alright, let's get ready. Start. Yes, slightly give it a pause as you take your body up. Yes, good. Carry on. Yes, 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 good. Keep moving everyone. We are still not done. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now let's move to the next movement, which is your alternate toe touch. Keep in mind that you move both your upper body and lower body. Now this time we will not be altering. You will do one side at a time for 30 seconds. So lift up your body at 30, lift your leg also at 30 degrees. From here, lift up, crunch, slowly bring it down. Lift up, crunch, slowly bring it down. So both your upper body as well as your lower body moves. Alright, let's go for it. 30 seconds on each side. Start. Yes. One side at a time, don't alter. And don't drop your leg on the floor. Your leg stays up at 30 degrees even when you are bringing it down. Yes. Be in control of the movement. 15 more seconds here. Yes, good. Okay, change. Change your leg. Yes, upper body lifted. Yes, lift your upper body, yes. And legs up and down as well. Very good, Vikram. Very nice. Carry on. 15 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's get ready for reverse crunches. So take your position. If you are using dumbbells, you can hold the dumbbell and crunch. So you can crunch like this also, you can crunch like this also. But important is that you take both your upper and your lower body back. Like this. Be in control of the movement. Okay, don't throw your body. Alright, let's get started. Start. Reverse crunches, yes. Important is to be in control, both the upper and lower body. So you open up your body, close it. Open, close. Your entire body, yes. Very good. Yes. Amrish, move your upper body also. Yes, carry on, carry on. Mansi, do it slightly slow. Don't be in a hurry. You're doing fine, but do it slightly slow. 30 seconds more. Yes, carry on. So you need to breathe out every time you crunch. Five seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Get ready for spine up. So the next movement is your legs are shoulder width apart. They are not too close. They are not very far. Just in the appropriate direction so that when you take your arm up and tilt, you make that 90-degree angle from your legs. Okay. If your legs are very close, you won't be able to go up, and if they are very far, you won't be able to balance. Okay. So appropriate distance between your legs, and but the legs are shoulder width apart. And now from here, lift up, turn on the side, come back. Lift up, turn on the side, come back. Okay, let's go for it. 30 seconds each side. Start. Yes. Don't let your hips touch the floor. Just go as down as possible and then as up as possible. Yes, very good, Vikram. Very nice. Yes, Amrish, you need to be in control. Don't throw your body. So just be in control. From here, lift up. Once you're up, then you go on the side. Come back. Lift up. Go on the side. Change your side, everyone. Change your side. Yes, lift up and then turn. First lift your torso up and then turn. Yes. Carry on, carry on. 15 seconds more. Same side, yes. Concentrate on lifting your torso up. Rather than reaching the side, your concentration should be lifting the torso as high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, get up, walk. Second round done. One more round. Okay, let's get ready. Third round. We are going to start with our crunches. So lie down in the tabletop. Lift your body up. You may or may not hold the dumbbell and start crunching up. Be in control so that your legs don't move as much, only your upper body moves. Start. 1 minute crunches. Carry on. Breathe out every time you crunch. "30 seconds more. Keep crunching, yes. If you you get tired with your legs, you can drop your legs, but keep crunching. Don't leave your crunches. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Slightly turn your legs side to side to relax your spine. So you should be here. Yes. Fold your legs and turn side to side. This relaxes your spine. Okay. Get ready for leg raises now. Lie down. Straighten your legs. Knees absolutely straight. Spine on the floor. Start. 1 minute leg raises. Yes. Come down slow. Be in control. Yes, very good, Amrish. Very nice. Good, Bharat. Good. Neck neutral, everyone. 30 seconds more. Twenty seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Now turn around. Get ready for Supermans. Okay. At the count of 3, 2, 1. Start. Yes. Up and down. Yes, carry on. 30 more seconds. Don't give up. This is a lower back strengthening exercise. Last 15 seconds. Go on, up and down. Let's keep doing that. Be in control when you take your body up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Turn around. We are going to start with alternate toe touch. Get ready. Lie down on your spine, on your back. Okay. So we will be doing one side at a time, all right? Okay, lift one leg up at 30, one hand up at 30, upper body lifted. Start. Yes. Lift your upper as well as lower body. Yes. Legs go down and up, and so does your upper body goes down and up. Yes. Good efforts, Radhika. Good. Yes, Dipen, let's go for it. Change your side. Don't drop your foot on the floor. Your leg remains up at 30 degrees throughout. Yes. And no jerks, no forceful movement. Be in control. Breathe out every time you crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay. Get ready for reverse crunches. Yes, sit down. Upper body tilted at 60 degrees. So reverse crunches is this movement. This one, yes. Make sure your upper body goes back along. Alright, let's get ready. 5 seconds to go. Take your position. Start. Yes. Fold your legs. Yes. And back. Yes. Fold and back. Yes. Amrish, you can keep your hand here. So now that the body is tired, you need to keep your hand here and do the crunches. Yes. That's fine. Yes. Good. Carry on. Carry on. 20 seconds more. Five, four, three, two, one. Relax. Okay. Now again sit with folded legs. We are going to do spine up. This is the last movement, last round. After that we have after party workout. Okay. Get ready. 5 seconds to go. One side at a time. Start. Yes. Focus on lifting your torso up. Side turn is secondary. You need to lift your torso up. Yes. Your hands should be right beneath your shoulders. Don't move your body forward too much on your knees. Try that your arms take the load, your shoulders take slight load of your torso. Yes. Carry on, carry on. 5 more seconds on this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Yes. Be in control. Don't throw your body. Be in control. Yes. Concentrate on lifting your torso up. That should be the only concentration. Yes. 15 more seconds here. Yes. Very good, Mansi. Good. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are through with our workout. First part. Get up. Start walking. Have a sip of water if you wish to. Relax yourself. Okay. Now, in the next part, we are going to do 3 types of holds. We will be forming a circuit and doing it. So, the first is your leg raise hold. So, what are we going to do is, in the first set, you raise your leg, both the legs at 30 degrees. Hold it for 20 seconds only. Okay. After that, you flip around. Be in the elbow plank pose and hold it for 30 seconds. Okay. And then be in the Superman's and again hold it for 20 seconds. Alright, that's all. We do 3 rounds of that. Okay, let's get ready. Lie down. First of all, we are going to do 30 degrees leg raise hold. Okay, get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Raise your leg up at 30 and hold. Yes. Only 20 seconds hold here. Keep your legs straight. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to plank. Elbow planks. 30 seconds now. Start. Yes, very good. Keep breathing, keep looking straight. That will automatically correct your posture. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, be in the Superman. We are about to start. Start. Superman hold 20 seconds. Yes. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, sit back in the child pose, everyone. Relax your spine. Sit back in the child pose. Okay. For once, get up. Get up. Yes. Take a walk for 10 seconds. Get up, yes. Okay, let's get ready for round 2. Lie down, leg raises is what we are going to start. Same movement, 30 seconds, 30 degrees and 20 seconds. Okay, start. Raise your leg up and hold. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Turn around. Be in the plank. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Start. Plank hold for 30 seconds. Yes. Keep looking straight towards your mat. Yes. So more than the shoulders, you should feel it in your abs. If you're not feeling it in your abs, you need to adjust your spine up and down. Move your torso up and down till the time you start feeling it in your abs. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Get ready for Superman's. 20 seconds. Start. Yes, very good. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Yes, keep holding up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Sit back in the child pose and then get up, start walking. Okay, get ready. Last set. Same movements, same duration, last set. Okay, lie down. Lift your legs up at 30 degrees and start. 20 seconds hold started. Keep breathing. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn around, be in the plank pose. And start. 30 seconds plank hold. Yes. Keep looking straight towards your mat. That will automatically correct your posture. Carry on, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, Superman's last movement, last set, 20 seconds. Start. Lift your legs from the thighs. You need to keep lifting it up. Don't loosen your body. You need to slightly pull up. Keep pulling up. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Well done, guys. We are through with our workout. Get up, walk. If you want to have water, you can have that as well, a sip of it. Keep walking. Walk, walk, walk. Yes, keep walking. Let your blood flow normally now. Okay, rest for another 30 seconds. Then we start with our stretching.